Is your job at risk of being taken by a robot? Wondering what the future holds? I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy, here to keep you updated on all things tech. Follow me at cyberguy.com, where you can also sign up for my free newsletter. We're tackling the topic of AI and automation. Picture this. JP Morgan's AI-powered system called Coin is poring over financial data faster than a room full of Wall Street analysts. Coin is transforming banking by reducing errors and saving thousands of hours of human work, increasing productivity significantly. In the food industry, Chippy, it's not just a name for a fry cook anymore. It's a robot preparing your burrito flawlessly every single time. With benefits like consistent quality and faster service, robots like Chippy might just revolutionize how we dine. But with every silver lining comes a cloud. Could we see a future where our beloved mom-and-pop restaurants struggle to compete with these ultra-efficient robot chefs? This has many of us asking, where does that leave us? Jobs once held by humans are being taken over by machines, creating an uncertain future for many. AI and automation promise better efficiency, accuracy, and cost-effectiveness, but at what cost? The reality, according to some analysts, is that many jobs might evolve rather than disappear. For some, this might mean reskilling or upskilling to work alongside these technologies. This shift won't happen instantly, but rather will require acceptance, time, and a change in mindset from industries, employees, and society at large. Do you think AI is stealing our jobs or simply changing the way we work? Chime in at cyberguy.com and sign up there for my newsletter.